All right, welcome to the first lesson on this section on writing habits. And this lesson is titled Start Where You Are. Most of the problem of every upcoming writer is they don't know where to start from, they don't know how to start. Maybe they have a particular prompt what to write on, or when to start, or whatever the case might be. Now, the first writing habit that you need to learn is that you start where you are. One of the things we need to look at is okay, let's look at a quote from Doris Lessing. It says, whatever you are meant to do, do it now. The conditions are always impossible. You will definitely have 1001 reasons why not to start writing. Definitely have, okay, there's no time, there is whatever the excuse might be. It is important. You should consciously cultivate the habit of writing, of start writing where you are, just whatever the point might be, whatever the condition might be. Just start writing. Another quote is that do what you can where you are and with what you have. Don't just say, okay, you need a study room to start writing, you need the best condition, you need a phone, whatever it says. You remember the lesson on the equipment you need for creative writing. Just your pencil, your biro, and your book is just enough for you to start. All right. The habit you need to learn first in creative writing is what is starting where you are, irrespective whether the condition is favorable or not. Keep on writing. All right. Thank you. Join me in the next lesson.